the international people came here, they always said they were deceived by their own media so long. Let me deceive them into believing that this car, which costs less than 200,000, is worth 2 million. What's the best shooting brake to them? Oh, the RS6. Does it look like the blackened one? I blackened this car so carefully, only 3 colors. The tail lights are red, the roll requests, the paint and details are all black. Only one exception. The caliper cover is flower sealed. Its original branch hub is nice in the first place. When it's blackened, it looks more stunning and fits the paint. The third thing looks expensive is its cargo box. It cost me 10,000. When it's installed, does it look like 500,000 more? All those camping devices are taken from that car. Even they are blackened seem to be coordinated and show my good taste. If you want to boil water or cook, use this outside V2L, which is 3.3 kilowatts. There's also a plug of 2.2 kilowatts. Then you may supply electricity to your whole camp. I like this hook on its tail door. You may hang a lamp or something interesting on it. And a project screen on it, you may sit on the sofa with your girlfriend to watch it. So romantic. When you're tired, get inside and sleep. There are cushions in it which connects its hubs. I call my NETA S shooting brake, which is blackened. HanLu's Dark Knight, Long Road Crossing, Kelsey shooting brake. Now let's put away these things and load them, then ask an international person on the street. I've arrived at the gate of my daughter's school. Since it's summer vacation, maybe some teachers are not here, but there are still many people from abroad. Let's wait for a while. Here comes one at last, a girl in a long skirt. Hi, we're doing a street interviewing. Could we ask you some questions?
Sure, no problem. Alright.
Why can you speak Chinese so well?
Cause I've entered the college here and I have a Chinese boyfriend.
A Chinese boyfriend. How do I address you?
Call me 镜子.
Sounds so rich. About the interview today, we'd like to show a Chinese car to the international friends. How much do you think it's worth?
About more than 1 million.
More than a million.
It's gorgeous. I like its shape.
130,000?
Really?
Yeah, it's 130,000. Why did you think expensive?
Ordinary cool cars are expensive.
That's so sweet.
I want my boyfriend to buy me one. Really?
Sorry, man, for making trouble with you. Thanks.